around the world, so it depends on what you're referring to. Here are a few current events that might be of interest. 1. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic continues to impact people and communities around the world, with many countries still working to control the spread of the virus and distribute vaccines. 2. Political unrest and protests have been occurring in many countries, including the United States, Myanmar, and Belarus, as people demand greater democracy, human rights, and social justice. 3. Climate change continues to be a pressing issue, with extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and other environmental impacts affecting people and ecosystems around the world. Of course, there are many other things happening in the world, so let me know if you have a specific topic or region in mind, and I can provide more information.
Well, how about we discuss number 3?
Sure, let's delve deeper into climate change and its impacts. Here are a few key points to consider. 1. The science behind climate change. There is overwhelming scientific consensus that human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, are contributing to global warming and climate change. 2. Rising temperatures and extreme weather. As global temperatures rise, we're seeing more frequent and severe heat waves, droughts, wildfires, and other extreme weather events that can have devastating impacts on human communities and ecosystems. 3. Impacts on biodiversity. Climate change is also affecting biodiversity, with many species of plants and animals facing extinction due to changes in their habitats and food sources. 4. Efforts to address climate change. Many countries and organizations are working to address climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, increasing renewable energy sources, and protecting natural ecosystems that help absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere.
What about people who don't believe that it is real?
While there are some people who may not believe in the reality of climate change, the overwhelming scientific consensus is that it is real and that human activities are a major contributing factor. The overwhelming majority of scientists and scientific organizations, including the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, and the U.S. National Academy of Sciences, have concluded that the evidence for climate change is clear and compelling. Despite this, some individuals and groups continue to express skepticism or doubt about the reality of climate change, often based on misinformation, political or ideological beliefs, or lack of understanding of the scientific evidence. However, it's important to recognize that climate change is not a matter of belief or opinion, but rather a scientifically verifiable phenomenon that affects people and ecosystems around the world. It's essential to rely on credible sources of information and expertise when it comes to understanding climate change and its impacts, and to work towards solutions that can help mitigate its effects.
Thank you for your information.
You're welcome, Corey. I'm glad I could be helpful in providing information and clarifying some of the important points related to climate change. It's always great to have an opportunity to discuss and learn about these issues. If there's anything else I can help with, don't hesitate to ask. It was great chatting with you.
Until next time.
Until next time, indeed, I'll be here to answer any questions, provide information, or simply chat about whatever's on your mind. Have a great rest of your day.